Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a task in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. On the right side of the Gmail interface, locate and click on the Tasks option. This will open the Tasks panel on the right side of your screen. Step 3. Hover your cursor over the task you want to delete. You will notice that a series of icons appear on the right side of the task. Step 4. Click on the Task Options icon that appears when hovering over the task. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. This will remove the task from your task list. Deleting tasks in Gmail can help you stay organized and focused on your priorities. Remember to only delete tasks that are no longer relevant or necessary. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy task management.